Hey, Crypto Ninjas! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into Bitcoin's price predictions and technical analysis from 2025 to 2030. Will Bitcoin hit $140,000 this year or soar to $1 million by the decade's end? Let's break it down with real numbers and simple charts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto updates. Let's go! Where Bitcoin stands in 2025. Right now, in August 2025, Bitcoin's trading around $115,000 to $117,000, with a market cap close to $2.2 trillion. Why's it so hot? Institutional money's pouring in. Bitcoin ETFs are seeing huge inflows, and companies like MicroStrategy just added 430 BTC to their stash. But we've also seen volatility, with a recent dip below $115,000 after Fed Chair Powell's Jackson Hole speech. On the charts, Bitcoin stuck in a consolidation zone between $110,000 and $120,000. Check out this. The 50-day moving average is holding its support at $112,000, but we're testing resistance at $118,000. If Bitcoin breaks above $120,000 with strong volume, analysts like at Altcoin Daily on X predict a push to $140,000 by Q4 2025. Why? ETF demand and a weaker dollar are fueling the bulls. But if it drops below $110,000, we could see a pullback to $105,000. Keep an eye on the RSI, it's at 55. Not overbought yet, so there's room to run. Short-term outlook, 2026 to 2027. Let's zoom out. By 2026, Bitcoin's halving cycle kicks in, historically a big price driver. The 2024 halving cut mining rewards to 3.125 BTC, tightening supply. Based on past cycles, analysts like Benjamin Cowen say we could see Bitcoin hit $200,000 by late 2026. Why? Stock-to-flow models show Bitcoin's scarcity increasing, and if ETF inflows stay strong, say, $10 billion quarterly, demand could push prices higher. On the technical side, Bitcoin's likely to test the 1.618 Fibonacci extension from its 2021 high of $69,000. Which lands around $210,000 by 2027. But watch out. The MACD might signal overbought conditions if we rally too fast, so expect a correction to $150,000 if profit-taking hits. Big catalysts? More countries like El Salvador adopting Bitcoin and regulatory clarity in the US boosting confidence. Long-term vision, 2028 to 2030. Now, let's talk big picture, 2030. Some bold predictions, like Bill Miller's on X, see Bitcoin hitting $1 million. Sounds crazy, but hear me out. If Bitcoin captures 10% of gold's $14 trillion market cap, that's $1.4 trillion in value. With only 19.7 million BTC in circulation by 2030, simple math points to $700,000 per coin. Add in global adoption, think remittances and inflation hedges, and $1 million isn't impossible. Bitcoin's long-term trend stays bullish, with higher highs and higher lows since 2013. The 200-week moving average, now at $80,000, will likely be $200,000 by 2030, acting as a strong floor. But risks remain. Global regulations or a black swan event could cap gains. Still, if hyper-Bitcoinization kicks in, as at Decentralized on X suggests, Bitcoin could redefine money by 2030. That's the scoop on Bitcoin from 2025 to 2030. Short-term, we're eyeing $140,000, mid-term, $200,000, and long-term, maybe even $1 million. But always DYOR, crypto's volatile. Drop your price predictions in the comments, smash the like button, and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.